Then next over to the right, we have our Info Center. The Info Center contains a search bar. If there's something which we want to find out more information about, we can enter it into the search bar here, and that will bring us directly to Autodesk's knowledge network. So if I want to learn how to draw a line, if I type in line and enter, that opens up our information center, and there we have to draw lines. Our line command, click on line command. It'll give us an explanation on how we can draw a line. Then we can sign into our account. We can buy apps from the App Store. We can connect to the Autodesk online community. So when we select it, you can see our different options here. We can connect with Autodesk. Go to Autodesk account. Check. Our hardware is certified. We can also go to AutoCAD blogs. Look at YouTube videos, connect to their Facebook or Twitter account. And at the end here, we can click on our help feature, which will essentially just open up our search bar. So what we look through in our search bar, so if we click on help, it brings us to the main Help Info Center. Then on the top right-hand corner of the very top, we have our close, restore down and minimize. These three controls are for the actual software. The reason I say that is because we have the same tools here, and they control the drawing. So when we are closing a drawing, just make sure we use these controls here, and not the top right-hand corner, as we'll close the actual software.